Hello children, a lovely morning to all of you. Students, we have learned the story The Sailing Trip, and today we are going to do some worksheets of our practice book. Students, these worksheets are based on nouns. Nouns are also called naming words. Children, you have studied earlier that the names of the persons, places, animals or things are called naming words, and naming words are also called nouns. The given worksheets are based on the naming words, so let us do these worksheets. Let us see what is in worksheet 1. Read loudly the following sentences from lesson 7, The Sailing Trip. The first sentence is, Avi finds a snail. Second is, Kamna puts it in a pail. And number C is, Avi and Kamna are going to Goa. Now, from these sentences, pick the first question is name of a person. You have to write the name of a person. The answer is Avi and Kamna. You can write the both names. Name of an animal. The answer is snail. S-N-A-I-L, snail. Name of a thing. The answer is pail. P-A-I-L, pail. The fourth question is name of a place. The answer is Goa. G-O-A, Goa. Worksheet 2. Pick out the names of persons, places, animals and things from the box. Write them in correct column. So children, there are so many words in this column, and you have to categorize them between person, place, animal and thing. So find out the name of the persons first. So man, baby, policeman, girls are the names of the persons. So you have to write these words in this column, the persons column. Now find out the name of the places. So temple, park, city, school are the names of the places. You have to write these words in this column, in place column. Now find out the name of the animals in this column. So dog, tiger, cow, cat are the names of the animals. So you have to write here in the animal column. Now you have to find out the names of the things. Car, shoe, jug, leaf are the names of the things. So you have to write the name of the things in the thing column. In worksheet 3, help Avi to add one more word to each group. In the first group, brother, sister, father, and then mother. You have to write here mother. In the second group, cycle, car, train. So you have to write here bus, any vehicle's name. You can write bus, okay? In the third group, elephant, tiger, lion. The next one is zebra. You can write the name of any animal. In the fourth group, finger, eye, hand. The next one is any body part which you have to write. You can write nose, mouth, stomach, leg, anything. In the fifth group, banana, apple, orange, and the next one is mango. You can write any fruit's name here. In worksheet 4, help Kamna to underline naming words in the following sentences. The first sentence, Rahul is playing with his sister. So you have to underline Rahul and sister. In second sentence, India is a beautiful country. You have to underline India and country. Third sentence, tiger is a wild animal. You have to underline tiger and animal. Fourth sentence, my father drives a car. You have to underline father and car. In fifth sentence, my grandfather walks with a stick. So you have to underline grandfather and stick. In sixth sentence, the box is full of chocolates. Here you have to underline box and chocolates. The last sentence, the teacher writes on the blackboard. You have to underline teacher and blackboard. So all these are naming words which you have underlined. Let us see the worksheet 4. Avi and Kamna are in Goa on a beach. Look at the picture and write a paragraph. The questions given will help you. The first question is, where are Avi and Kamna? So the answer is, Avi and Kamna are in Goa. Avi and Kamna are in Goa. The second question, what do you see in the sky? Look at the picture. What do you see in the sky? In the sky there are clouds, birds and the sun. So the answer is clouds, birds and the sun. The third question, how many boats are there in the sea? There are 3 boats in the sea. The answer is, there are 3 boats in the sea. The fourth question, how many children are swimming? The answer is, 3 children are swimming. 3 children are swimming. The fifth question, what is Kamna collecting? Kamna is collecting shells. The answer is, Kamna is collecting shells. The sixth question, what is Avi making? Look at the picture. What is Avi making? Avi is making sand castle. Avi is making sand castle. And the last question is, what are their parents doing? What are their parents doing? Their parents are drinking coconut water. Their parents are drinking coconut water. Children, do all these questions in your practice book.